thing. Mama pretty?
Yeah.
When I put this dress on this morning, he said, ooh, Mama, you're pretty. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night you guys. I am all ready, the boys are all ready and we are heading to church. Look at my little handsome. Go, 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 let Faith see you, let Faith see you. What you looking for? Your activity book? Okay, you want to carry this one?
Yes.
Okay. Can you say morning to Faves?
Morning, please.
Look how cute he is. Stand there so Faves can see you. Stand right there. Let me see you, let me see you, let me see you. Look at mama. Oh, ooh, you handsome boy. Say morning, Faves.
Morning, please.
He's gonna carry this one to church. And that's my handsome husband there.
Okay, good job.
Okay, I put in the pencil and the rubber in the bag, okay?
Good job. That's okay. You can do that by yourself.
So we are heading to church finally today. We insisted on going to church today and it's happening. Let babe show you guys my outfit of the day.
That for school. I just carry this and that's for school.
No, not for schools, for home. No, don't carry these. Just carry those. You see me properly or the lighting is terrible?
The lighting is not the best.
So go where the lighting is the best.
Look at this.
No, don't carry those. You go there and I go here. So I did my hair. I'm completely in love with this hairstyle. Ever since they giving me a close up. Ooh, and I put on a little makeup this morning. As I had time, okay. I woke up long time, so I got time to put on a little makeup. And this dress, I got this dress from one of my good friend Lily, and I got these shoes from my mom years ago. I think I got these shoes from my mom when Tyler was 1 year old, and I have worn it since then. So that's my outfit of the day. Mama pretty?
Yeah.
When I put this dress on this morning, he said, ooh, Mama, you're pretty. Anyway, you guys, we are heading to church and we're on time. But babe's gonna have to do a photo shoot outside for me, so let's go. Yes, ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Please.
Uh-huh.
To do that be spelling C-Y-N-E-R.
We show Faves later all the things that you can write on your board, okay? All right, let's go. Happy Mother's Day To all the countries that celebrated Mother's Day today, Jamaica included. Is not Mother's Day in France, so I'm celebrating Mother's Day today, and next 2 weeks I think it's gonna be Mother's Day in France or something like that. Make sure you guys have a good day, have a blessed day, have an amazing day.
Holiday.
No, it's not, it's Mother's Day. Say happy Mother's Day, Fizz.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. For person who's celebrating Mother's Day today.
Right, anyway you guys, we are off. You always ask that, and what Mama always tell you, they are both girls and boys. Anyway you guys, have an amazing day. Just have a good day. Love you guys, and we're off to church. Reached church and we are on time. We finished church and we're heading back home, and yes, we did reach church just on time. We reached church this morning. Church was good. We're heading back home, and it's so hot out today, and the promenade is looking very touristic right now. I can't imagine the amount of people that is on the beach. I can't see down below, but let me just show you a glimpse of out here. Sunny day, lots of people walking the streets. No sweater needed. So it's a beautiful day, and we are running home to catch the rest of Jack and Theo and to have lunch. 4x2, they disqualified. You guys, we're back from church and we're in the kitchen. As you guys can see, I'm still in my clothes, haven't changed, but I'm making lunch for the fam.
I changed.
Yeah, you changed. I'm making dinner same time the pressure cooker is on. I had started to cook my peas before I left, and I'm going to make some picking blankets for Ty because Tyler loves these. So we have our pastry and still here are the pumpkins. That's where the rice is. Pastry's finished. Ty, our pastry's finished. You're gonna come eat the first one. No, it's not. It's okay. So not this one, not that one, a different one. And that's fish for me, salmon for the boys, and I had made rice and peas. It was cooking while I was taking a nap. So dinner is going down. Yes, baby. Yeah, I love parrotfish, but we can't find any parrotfish in France. We find it sometimes, but not all the time. So when I don't find parrotfish, Papa take that one for me. So that's not parrot, the different one, but I like that one too. Okay? You guys, I was taking a nap and babe was ironing. Tyler nap, we all rest, and now we're all hungry, so I'm finishing up dinner so that we can eat. Our job here is done. Dinner is ready for the fam. Boom. Tyler, Mama, and Papa. Ready for dinner, my love? Alright, let's eat.
Look like a sumo-tori girl.
I look like a what?
Like a sumo girl.
A sumo girl?
Sumo girl, the
What is
Japanese
that?
sumo, the big girl.
He loved tell me that I look like whatever that my face look extra fat. Look at
You
me.
start to be
Jeez.
big.
Man, this next 7 weeks is going to be, I'm going to look like a big mama. But that's okay, I don't mind. I'll be a big mama 3 times over to see my girl.
As long as you're nice, it doesn't matter.
What do you mean as long as I'm nice?
Cause you give me hard time.
Anyway,
Yes,
guys,
you do.
you're lucky. Oh, this is the end of the Jamaican Mother's Day for me. I exhausted, and I'm heading to bed. I just finished editing the vlog so you guys can get it, and I'm going to rest. I am not looking forward to my nights because they are uncomfortable. Man, sometimes this is how I get up in the middle of the night and sit up in the bed.
Well, but
Because I
Tyler is
just
at
need a
school all
break.
day, so you can organize your day
Yeah, I'm not talking
the
about
way you want
that.
it.
I'm just talking about the sleep at night. Man, and
You
because
can't sleep the way you are now. Like,
after me not dead. So when you happy to sleep and sit
oh,
up?
it looks comfortable like this. That's right.
No, it's not. Well, it's one of the most comfortable
Like you're in a plane.
space, but I can't sit on my butt too long because baby girl rests so low. When I sit, give me an hour maximum, it start hurt. I have to
You
lay
can't
down.
sleep on your butt.
I can't sleep on my butt.
Yeah, that's what you say. On your booty,
No, I can't sit up and sleep, and I can't sit for too long.
you don't have enough airbag in your...
Anyway, you guys, I can't deal with my husband right now.
Yeah.
I am going to bed, and this is where we're gonna end the vlog. I'm not even gonna give you guys any expression.
No
Hopefully
expression.
you guys who celebrated Mother's Day had a good one. We didn't really celebrate Mother's Day because it's not Mother's Day in France, but I was a queen as usual all day. No, I wasn't, because I cook, clean, everything. Anyway, enough of my rambling. Love you guys. If you're new to our channel, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and catch up and keep up with my fat face, with my husband handsomeness, and the overload cuteness of Tyler, and the sweetness of baby girl to come. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.